Hello, Jenny. Just got back from a drive with my parents. Went on to Grassington first. A little expensive, and it's almost a tourist trap, but it's a nice little town. It's got a beer shop and nice pubs. I have picked up some glasses whilst there for my glass collection. Caffrey's. All these are from a charity shop. So all proceeds went to charity, which is cool. Frosted Carlsberg export glass. Strombo. You see it. It's etched glass. Yeah, I collect glassware, so LCL. Managed to get 7 at the charity shop, so charity shop got £7 and I got some nice glassware for my collection. See it? It's moulded glass of Old Speckled Hen. An etched version. I used to have a proper Old Speckled Hen glass. Andrew broke it. That couldn't happen. Grolsch moulded glass. Alright. One of the beer shops, or a beer shop in Grassington, they had the Westmalle Trappist Triple, 9.5. I think I paid £3 something. I think a bit steep, but Danny McFadden, the Sofa Drunk, has told me I should try this cider. It's supposed to be really nice. We said it worked, but I've never had the urgency to buy it. Went to the Dale's Toffee Shop, picked up Kendal Mooncake. Been a while since I've had this. This pack contains all 3 variations of it: the brown, the white, and the chocolate. Postcards, Yorkshire Dales to go on the wall behind me. I've got some other stuff somewhere. I also managed to get, what is it? Some chocolate bar. Norfolk chili. Bit steep. £3 for a bar of chocolate, but just trying something out here. Well drunk. Did go to, still got the card actually. Managed to have took 2 cakes. And the bagel tart. This is the Wine Brewery Sick and Twisted. It's a nice cake actually. Went to the butcher's in Peterbridge. Picked up 3 variations of the sausage. They're Irish. Pork and leek. The Portland Leek's really nice, and the New York, which is supposed to be a chili sausage. Yeah, but it was a great day. I spent time with my parents, and Jenny got a walk out of it, and I got some glasses and beer and sausages. All good. Always good to visit different parts of Yorkshire. Nice cake. Pet the Ridge. You take care. Bye bye.